Hello everyone, I welcome you again to the world of geometry, but this time we are getting into the fascinating world of quadrilaterals. These are all shapes with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. From squares and rectangles to parallelograms and trapezium, quadrilaterals are all around us, hidden in buildings, art and even nature. Your maths guide will help you explore the types and properties of different quadrilaterals. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. The word quadrilaterals comes from quadri, which means 4, and lateral means sides. It means a plane shape with 4 sides and 4 angles is called quadrilateral. Our first quadrilateral is a square. Everyone is already familiar with this shape. But actually, it is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. This is one pair and this is second pair. So, we got 2 properties with respect to its sides. That it has 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 equal sides. Now we have another 2 properties with respect to its angles. It has 4 angles and all angles are right angles. When we add up all these 4 angles, the sum is equal to 360 degrees. If you want to learn more about different types of lines and how parallel and non-parallel lines are different from each other, check out this video on Maths Guide and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Our next quadrilateral is a rectangle. It's a shape with 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 angles, and opposite sides are equal. Look at this figure 1. The side AB is equal to side CD, which are opposite to each other, and side BC is equal to side AD, which are also opposite to each other. So, according to sides, we get 2 points. Opposite sides are equal and 2 pairs of parallel sides. But if we talk about its angles, all angles are right angles and the sum of interior angles is 360 degrees, just like square. Our next quadrilateral is rhombus. A quadrilateral having all sides equal in length, opposite sides parallel and opposite angles equal but not right. Sometimes it is called a diamond shape, but look at this shape very carefully. There is no right angle, but opposite angles are equal in measurement. It also has 2 pairs of parallel sides. And all 4 sides of a rhombus are also equal, just like square. The main difference between a square and a rhombus is that a square has all 4 right angles, but there is no right angle in rhombus. So, with respect to angles, we get 4 angles but no right angle. Opposite angles are equal, and again sum of interior angles is 360 degrees. Our next quadrilateral is a parallelogram. It's a quadrilateral having 2 pairs of parallel sides and opposite angles equal. It is similar to the rectangle when we say that opposite sides are equal in measurement and 2 pairs of parallel sides. But the difference between the rectangle and a parallelogram is that in rectangle all angles are right angle, but in parallelogram there is no right angle. Opposite angles are equal in measurement, but they are not right. So with respect to sides, we can say opposite sides are equal and 2 pairs of parallel sides. And with respect to angles, 4 angles but not right angle, 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Sum of interior angles is 360 degrees and opposite angles are equal. Our next quadrilateral is a trapezium. It is also known as trapezoid in some countries. It has only 1 pair of parallel sides. This property of a trapezium makes it different from other quadrilaterals like rhombus, square, rectangle and parallelogram because they have 2 pairs of parallel sides, but this trapezium has only 1 pair of parallel sides. Look at the second trapezium. Again, it has only 1 pair of parallel sides. It also has 4 angles. One angle, at least one angle, can be right. Sum of interior angles is again 360 degrees. This is a kite. It's a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of adjacent sides. This is one pair and this is second pair. It is also named after the flying kite due to its shape. So with respect to sides, again it has 4 sides, 2 pair of equal adjacent sides. And with respect to angles, it has again 4 angles. 1 pair of opposite angles is equal. In this shape, these 2 angles are equal in measurement, but these 2 angles are different. And sum of interior angles of this shape is again 360 degrees. Now I would like you to watch this video from the beginning so that you might be able to answer these questions. For example, which quadrilateral has no pair of parallel sides? A kite has no pair of parallel sides. In fact, it has 2 pairs of adjacent sides. Which quadrilaterals has all right angles? Square and rectangles have all right angles. Which quadrilaterals has no right angles? Rhombus, parallelogram and kite have no right angles. What is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? All quadrilaterals have 4 angles and sum of their interior angles is always 360 degrees. Now one question for you. Why is a triangle not a quadrilateral? Answer this question in comment section. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and watch next video about perimeter of a square on Maths Kite.